silence, the fire called us. We came from every horizon, gathering in a circle around its hearth. Here we are not strangers, but sparks of the same flame. We breathe. In movement, we find each other. Here, expression has no boundaries. We spin, we sway. Joy is our medicine, and every step is sacred.
Float in the ocean, moving forward. Would you get with me to paradise? Float in the ocean.
ありがとう for your presence. Love and light.
Now we dance. Light flashing.
Just allow calm, tranquil feelings of relaxation to slowly seep out of this prison.
And may we witness that we are all these creatures on this planet, walking each other home.
De tu voz salen los colores del universo y esos colores son el alimento para la existencia que somos
shared our stillness. We have shared our fire. Now the pulse rises in the ground, in our hearts, in our spirit. Celebrate our union.
What is sound anyway?
The dragon winds through us. Every moment, infinite. I am that I am. The mask is gone. The illusion has been shattered. When the last note fades, the fire is still burning in the sparks of love that remain in our hearts. This is New Healing Festival. We leave not apart, but carried in each other.